Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I'm excited about today's video because I often share a lot of smaller startup companies, less known companies. And I know some people want to work for big corporate companies that you can trust. And so that is what today's video is all about. They are well-known companies, or at least well-known to me. I guess it depends on what is available in your area. But we have a part-time job posting about sales and deals on social media like Facebook and Instagram. We have Michael's the craft store hiring. If you live in an area where the arts and craft store Michael's is, I know I have one in my area. We have Cash App hiring. We have Kim Kardashian's Skims brand hiring, which I have not seen them hire a lot of remote work from home jobs. We also have Zoom hiring. So all big, well-known brands. And if you're new here, this channel, what we do is we search all the job boards in the internet daily, trying to do the work for you as far as work from home jobs. We weed out the scams the best we can and just find the best remote jobs that are hiring right now, generally sharing them with you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. Now, I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online, so I cannot control how long they leave the job postings up, how many applications they actually accept before they take them down and start doing interviews. So if you're interested in anything that I share, please make sure you get that application in ASAP, and links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can be found in the YouTube description box below the video. But starting out with a part-time job, we have the Krazy coupon lady hiring. I'm not sure if y'all have heard of her before or not. I follow a lot of her pages for years now on Facebook. It's a smaller business, but it is well known. 66 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 2.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a social media specialist for Facebook and Instagram. Now, this is remote, part-time. And so the Krazy coupon lady post about, if you follow their Instagram, their social media pages, they post about sales and deals on pretty much everything online. And so what you do and how she makes money is, like, if you see that maybe this pair of shoes is on sale for only $20 on Amazon for the next 6 hours, and you go click that link and go buy those shoes, you get cheap tennis shoes, but then she gets a commission or kickback. Those are affiliate links that they generally sell. But they are looking for somebody who loves shopping to help post high volume deal content on their Facebook page. Now, of course, you'll have a shift that you're scheduled to work, and during your shift, you have to post on Facebook every 15 minutes a new sale or deal. So you're just linking to the product or the product page and kind of telling what the deal is. You are not having to create content yourself, like where you're making photos or videos of yourself. You're posting products for sale, basically. They're looking for somebody who can maintain compelling Instagram presence, including post reels and stories. So you might have to use your voice in the background telling about the product, but of course the product that you're trying to get people to buy is what's going to be in the forefront of all of those. You're going to write engaging captions that drive clicks, shares, and conversion. So you've got to be able to react quickly to trends and breaking deals that come up online, get them posted, because some of them are time sensitive. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 1 year of experience in social media or digital marketing, someone who has strong writing skills, someone who has experience using like social media scheduling tools, knowledge about Facebook and Instagram, and of course, somebody who has a passion for smart deal shopping. Pay is $20 an hour for this one. Now, if you don't mind customer service type work, Michael's the arts and crafts store is hiring. They have 9,400 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote great experience maker. So as a great experience maker, you're going to make sure that people are having a great experience shopping at Michael's. You're responding to customer contacts through all channels regarding any questions, problems, or concerns. So you're handling customer calls and questions not only by the phone, but also email or any store escalations that come through. You're just providing that general customer support in an upbeat and friendly manner. Of course, logging all the calls and information, taking down detailed descriptions into the computer system as you talk to them. So you will have to kind of maintain knowledge of products that Michaels offers. But it only requires a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service experience. Now, you do know how to use basic computers and the internet, navigate around a computer, have great listening and problem solving skills, and they want somebody who can be flexible in the hours that you work. Their hours are like 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday, and then 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. So they want somebody who can be flexible, work different shifts, maybe work on the weekends. And of course, it is a plus if you have a passion for craft making. Now, sadly, Michaels did not list the pay that will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, the rest of these jobs are going to be pretty high paying, don't require a college degree. We have a Block, or Block is the parent company. They own other apps like Cash App, and so Block is hiring for Cash App. They have 1,700 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a cash content specialist for their customer operations or customer service for Cash App. This is remote for the United States. They are looking for somebody to deliver clear, concise, timely, and accurate support and help information for the communications of cash customer operations, but you're doing this in the written form. You're creating, editing, and managing support documents. So any documents that are on Cash App's Help Center, you're going to help write. Internal knowledge base articles that different employees use for customer service or to help customers, you'll kind of help draft and write those. Customer support responses, you'll be writing those, or any in-app copies, whether other support materials. So like if you are on your Cash App and you go to like the help section or the frequently asked questions, somebody has to write up all of that help stuff that you can read and kind of help yourself. So that's what they're looking for somebody to do. You'll work internally with different teams in Cash App to improve the accuracy and consistency of the support documentation that's already out there, as well as creating new documentation. So you'll kind of have to work with like government policies and things like that, but you're just applying Cash App style and communication guidelines using templates and using creative decision making to kind of tailor that content for the intended audience. So this one is completely non-phone, just writing articles. They're looking for somebody who has 3 to 4 years of content creation or professional writing, or like preferably in product or customer service environment. Of course, you've got to have great communication skills, be able to multitask, be a critical thinker, be creative, kind of be a problem solver. And of course, they say it's even better. It's a plus if you have some kind of degree or experience in a financial field. Not required though. And Cash App pays pretty high. If you kind of scroll down, they do have a resource that's linked that breaks the United States up into different zones. Depending on your location is kind of your pay range, but the lowest pay is $60,200 a year, which would be a little over like $1,100, like $1,153 a week, all the way up to $120,200 a year. Now, next up, we have Kim Kardashian's clothing brand Skims hiring. Skims only has 20 reviews from past and current employees. So normally at this point, I would tell you to do all your research on any companies before giving them your personal information. We know Skims is a legit company and not a scam though. So I'm not sure what the company's policies and procedures are, why they only have 20 reviews with a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. But that is what Glassdoor is giving them. But Skims is looking for an HR partner for their retail team. This is remote for the United States. So they're looking for somebody just to help with all of their human resources function, recruiting and hiring, legal, and then of course, when you're an employee, your human resources handles all of your benefits, payroll, and rewards. So if you have like health insurance through the company, you have 401ks, things like that, making sure that you get paid correctly, your paid time off is paid out correctly, all of your benefits for working at the company. So you're kind of helping manage all of those across all of the different Skims retail locations. You're just supporting the scalability of the HR processes. So you are full HR, so not only are you managing those benefits, but you're also working with the employees when they need help from HR. You're addressing any employee relations issues, providing managers with guidance, and ensuring fair outcomes. So if an employee has a complaint or something, when people normally complain to HR, you'll be working with them, interviewing them, talking to their managers, kind of being the mediator or go-between there, and trying to work it out so it works out for everyone. So you're just that trusted advisor on employee relations matters. And of course, another function of HR other than compensation and benefits is training for new employees or ongoing training and development for people who already work there. So you're going to kind of oversee the training and onboarding process as well. Now, as far as requirements go, no college degree is needed. It says they prefer somebody who has some kind of like HR type certification. It's not required though. You do have to have 3 years of retail HR or some kind of HR experience, somebody who has strong skills in employee relations, talent development, great communication skills, somebody who knows how to use different HR systems and specifically software systems like Microsoft Office, and somebody who's kind of knowledgeable about employment laws. Pay is anywhere from $80,000 a year up to $95,000 a year. And of course, we have Zoom Communications hiring. They have 2,000 reviews with that overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. Zoom is looking for a professional services project manager, again, remote for the United States. And this is part of their customer service team. So they're really looking for somebody to manage projects for the customer service team, kind of being the primary liaison between the customers and the internal customer service teams, trying to drive successful contact center and customer experience implementations. So you're basically managing the day-to-day administrative tasks for the Zoom contact center or customer service center and the projects that they have going on. So you're maintaining the project calendars, just kind of managing the scheduling of it, ensuring that all projects are on task and will meet the deadline in which they need to be completed, implemented, and rolled out. You're serving as that main point of contact for the customers, setting clear expectations and managing communications, just coordinating with all the internal teams to address any project deliverables and resolve any issues. So if they have a major project going on, they might roll it out in phases, and you need to make sure those phases stay on track. So you're going to be in a lot of meetings, scheduling meetings, preparing agendas, documenting those meetings, kind of taking notes during those meetings. No college degree is needed for this one either. They just want somebody who has experience in a professional services environment, has hands-on experience managing different projects for like customer service or some kind of workforce management. Somebody who has great organizational skills, great attention to detail, great communication skills, and you can work with kind of documenting management tools. Pay for this one is anywhere from $76,800 a year up to $186,200 a year. Now, $186,000 would be a little over $3,500 a week. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.